Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. Please hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you for coming back to the channel and checking this video out. So I made this gift concept using Dollar Tree items. And we have our bath salts, which is the berry peach or peach berry. And then we have our spa set, which is the Love Struck body mist and body wash. We have the stick loofah, the exfoliating mitt, and a facial scrub. I topped it with this beautiful purple bow. And this gift is done. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.